guys. Hope you all are doing well this morning. Today is April 7th in our devotional, and today we are discussing doubt. And it says, when in doubt, John chapter 20 verse 27, stop doubting and believe. Matthew chapter 14 verse 31, Jesus immediately reached out his hand and took hold of him, saying, O you of little faith, why did you doubt? Psalm chapter 94 verse 19, when doubts filled my mind, your comfort gave me renewed hope and cheer. John chapter 20 verse 29, when Jesus told him, you believe because you have seen me. Blessed are these who believe without seeing me. Mark chapter 11 verse 22 and 23, Jesus said to the disciples, have faith in God. I tell you the truth. You can say to this mountain, may you be lifted up and thrown into the sea, and it will happen. But you must really believe it will happen and have no doubt in your heart. Matthew chapter 21 verse 21 and 22, Jesus replied, truly I tell you, if you have faith and do not doubt, not only can you do what was done to the fig tree, but also you can say to this mountain, go, throw yourself into the sea, and it will be done. If you believe, you will receive whatever you ask for in prayer. And at the bottom it says, when you're in doubt, your trembling hand is stretched out to God to save you from the stormy sea. All of us experience doubt, and we catch ourselves acting like Thomas. We want to put our finger in the nail marks on Jesus' hands. We want to see evidence of the promises of tomorrow's providence or the forgiveness of sin. We are desperately clinging to the thought that love will heal our broken hearts. May your doubts drive you into the arms of God, where His presence will drive away your doubts like a gentle breeze. And I needed this morning. Not that I doubt Him. When situations arise, we tend to, and there's nothing we can do, we tend to worry. That's what I tend to do, at least. And I need to put my full trust in Him that He's got the situation taken care of. And it's all in His control. There's no need for me to sit and worry. And sometimes that's a hard thing to do. Being a parent, especially. But we got to trust Him. We got to put all our faith and not doubt Him. He will take care of us. He will take care of every situation. We just got to remember it's all in His will and what He wants the outcome to be. Okay? But I love you guys. And as always, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server. Link is in the description. If you join on there, send me a message and let me know you joined from YouTube. But I love you guys, and if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Have a blessed day, guys.